We'll begin tonight with the latest developments on the COVID-19 vaccinations. Recently, the National Vaccine Committee has approved the procurement of another 120 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine for next year, as well as the allocation of vaccines for exports to other countries. Dr. Naksompop, director of the National Vaccine Institute, said the procurement is for those who still cannot access the vaccinations, those who require booster doses, and some to be held in reserve in case of another outbreak. At the same time, the Disease Control Department and the National Vaccine Institute will also try to procure up to 100 million doses as projected. The committee also approved the allocation of vaccines for export to other countries, for which the Disease Control Department and the National Vaccine Institute must fully consider the downsides and negotiate with vaccine producers to procure a quantity in line with the prevailing COVID-19 situation in the country. Meanwhile, Dr. Gawinpong, Director General of the Disease Control Department, said that the committee did not consider the Prime Minister's suggestion of a mix and match of vaccine makes following the WHO's warning of the concept. However, there is another academic committee considering the issue. He noted, though, that the WHO's warning statement is very long and that quoting only certain parts out of context may lead to misinterpretation. On Monday, the World Health Organization's chief scientist advised against mixing and matching COVID-19 vaccines from different manufacturers, calling it a dangerous trend since there is very little information or research into the potential outcomes. She said we are in a data-free, evidence-free zone here as far as mix and match. There is only limited data on it. It will be a chaotic situation in countries if citizens start deciding when and who will be taking a second, third, and fourth dose of different types.